Jumping right into this one. Hey guys, what's going on? How are you? We're going to be playing with some makeup today. I created this really pretty purple look with the Carli Bybel Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. Also, if you hear a lisp, it's because I got my Invisalign on yesterday. I'm going to keep you updated on that, but I'm going to see how this voiceover goes. If I don't like it, I probably will never wear my Invisalign again while doing a voiceover. But I'm trying to keep them in as much as I can so that the timing is just as short as possible. But anyways, swatching the palette for you first. The colors are actually really pretty. They look super similar and kind of boring, honestly, in the palette itself. But on the eyes, I was very impressed. So let's get to the tutorial and let me show you all that. Using the OGX Honey Hold gel for my brows. I actually have never done this to my brows before. Can you believe that? I've never done this to my brows before. I've seen so many people do it. I just didn't think that my brows were capable of actually looking cute like this, and I was indeed correct. It doesn't do anything for my brows. Maybe I'll try it again with other products, but it really doesn't do anything. My brows are shaped kind of up anyway. The hairs go up, so I tried the trend. I'm filling it in with just some brow powder, and then I'm going to prep my eyes. And we are going to play around with some shadows. When I first opened this palette, I really noticed the lavender shades, and they are so pretty actually. I think I just never bought this palette because I was like, eh. Do you ever look at a palette and you're like, meh? That's how the palette looks. It's like, meh. But in person, it's very pretty. And this shade right here is also really pretty. And I felt like this was kind of the perfect look for a transitional summer to fall vampy kind of deal over here. So I'm applying that darker shade in the outer corner, then more of a gunmetal purple in the center, lighter purple in the inner corner, and then I'm blending everything out with the blending brush before I go in with this dusty rose shade, which was actually really pretty. So I'm just going to pack it on, and then I'm going to take a little blending brush and I'm just going to blend it out. I haven't done a shimmery eye, completely shimmery eye like this in a really long time. As you guys know, I'm very much a matte girl, but I really just went for it and did it. I added this PYT eye gel on top. It is so pretty. So pretty. And I do have a coupon code with them. It's just Julia25, so make sure to use that if you want to pick it up. And I also used their mascara, but when I tell you their glosses and their glittery eye gels are beautiful, they are beautiful. Okay, hopping over to foundation. I'm applying two primers. I applied this Wet n Wild Luminous Dewy Primer Serum and then the Milk Makeup Blur Stick to hide any pores and everything like that. And then for foundation, I applied the Wet n Wild Dewy Photo Focus Dewy Foundation. There is a matte version of this too, but this is the dewy one. I am reviewing it for you guys. That's not going up till November, only because 31 Days of Halloween is coming. I'm so excited. I will be pausing on my foundation Fridays, swatch Saturdays, skincare Sundays for October, just so that I can share so much stuff with you guys. I hope that's okay. I'm applying the YSL All Hours Concealer to just all the areas of my face that I want it. And then I set with the Pop Beauty Matte Powder, and I kind of mixed the yellow and the pink together a little bit and just mattify my entire face. And then, of course, I went in with the Natasha Denona Love Glow Cheek Palette. I love the cream blush in here, and I also applied some of that pink highlighter to my cheeks as well. It was super cute with everything all together. I applied a little bit of this baked bronzer from Sugar Rush. Ooh, that lisp was bad right there. Did you hear that? That was bad. That was pretty bad. We're applying that all over my face. And then I'm just adding some shadow underneath my eyes and then to the inner corners as well. Keeping it nice and cute. So we're going back in that palette and we're using the shimmery shade right at the top there. And I'm applying that to my brow bone and the inner corners. Once we have done that, we're going to move on to lashes and liner. I absolutely love the Velour Lash and Go. It's so good. It's so good. It's so good. I love it. And then I'm applying these Morphe lashes on my eyes. They didn't hold like perfectly well, the Morphe lashes. I don't know what was going on, but I think I put so much shadow on my eyes. But one of my eyes, I think this one right here, was playing me the whole time. I decided to make this very euphoria, so I added some MAC glitter to the outside of the eyes, and then I added these rhinestones from Recollections from Michaels. These are like little lavender ones. The tiny ones are so perfect for looks like these, and they do have a little like sticker on the back of them, so you don't have to use lash glue, but I just used like a clear lash glue because I was, you know, recycling and reusing ones that I already used. I'm then going to use Cork Lip Pencil from MAC, one of my absolute favorites. And then for lipstick, I went ahead and applied a MAC lipstick. I'm not sure what color I applied. I think it was Faux. And then on top of that, I applied 2 glosses from Lancome. They brought back their Juicy Tubes, and I love them. This one especially. All right, guys, here's the finished look.